Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to list your items fast across world's largest selling platforms. All you need for that is a barcode scanner, your computer, and your item. Please keep watching. Before we can list our item, we need to log in into Sellerchamp account. If you don't have one yet, so please sign up for our 14 days free trial right here. If you have an account, please just click on login. And then list item on Amazon. So on this box, we have a barcode right here. All we need to do is to scan this barcode. Here we go, and our listing popped up within seconds. Right now we are running 14 days free trial at Sellerchamp. It's absolutely free, no credit card required. You can play around with the software, you can set up an onboarding call with one of our specialists to see how the software works, what features it has, and see if it's a good fit for you or not. If you don't have barcoded items, it's not a problem, we can handle it as well. Just visit our website for more information and follow us on social media. And don't forget to click on subscribe button for more updates and information about our software. Thanks for watching.